We all know that distracted driving is one of the biggest issues our generation is facing today. So we all know that you need to keep your phones away from you when you're on the road. But that doesn't mean that you can't charge your phone. And today we're going to look at a gadget that can do just that.
This is from the friends at Logiix, and it's a Logiix Lite C. And it's basically a car power plug to USB-C.
Yeah, and it's perfect for you to put your phone away, not look at it, but at least you can start charging it. And it's especially good if you have one of those little docks, if you're using, say, like Google Maps or Apple Maps. If you're going to be using that for a long trip, two things are going to happen. One, you're going to burn through your data, and two, you're going to be burning through your battery. So to have this on there, if you use your smartphone as a navigational tool, get it away from your hands, let it charge. It has a 1 meter cable length, so that's 3 feet, so just enough to have it plugged into the bottom and then having it charged to your device on top. And of course, it'll keep you from using your device, which will help you stop and avoid getting a ticket for distracted driving. Again, it's from our friends over at Logiix, and this is the Lite C charger for your car.